Hello guys, welcome to the channel Maths Ko Math with Aditya. In this video, we'll be doing the exercise 3.4 of pair of linear equation in two variables. So in this video, we are doing the question 2. So form the pair of the linear equation in the following problems and find their solution by the elimination method. So in this video, we'll be doing the first 3 parts and the last 2 parts will be in the next video. So let's start with the solution. So in the first part, we are given that if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator, then find the fraction. In such questions, as we know, we just assume the variables in the starting. So let the numerator equal to x and denominator equal to y. Then the fraction becomes x upon y. According to the first situation, we were given that if we add 1 to the numerator, that is x plus 1, and we subtract 1 from the denominator, that is y minus 1, so the fraction will become 1. So this implies that x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1, or this means that when we multiply it with some numerator, we will get some fraction in this term. Also, the second part says that it becomes half if we add only 1 to the denominator. So the fraction will be x upon the denominator, that is y, plus 1, and this is equal to 1 upon 2. Now when you cross multiply this implies that 2 into x will give you 2x, and this is equal to y plus 1. Now we can also arrange the first in terms of 2x, because here we are having x, so when you transpose this plus 1 over that side, the equation which you will get is x is equal to y minus 2. Now here you are having 2x. In order to eliminate this 2x, you can either multiply it by 2, or you can directly remove this y by subtracting it from here. So when you subtract this equation from the second one, you get that x is equal to y minus 2. We have written this equation in here, and now we will be changing the signs to subtract them. So this was plus, it became minus, this was also plus, it will become minus, and this will become plus. Y minus y is 0, here you are having 3, and here you are having 2x minus 1 is x. So what we have got is x is equal to 3. Now we will be finding the next values. So we'll put the value of x is equal to 3 in any of the equation. Say this one only, that 2x is equal to y plus 1. This implies that 6 is equal to y plus 1, or y is equal to 5. Therefore we have got the values. So the fraction that was x upon y, this is equal to 3 upon 5, that is y. Let's move on to the second part. So in the second part of the question, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Then you have to find how old are Noori and Sonu. So in these questions, we will assume that the present ages of Noori is equal to x and Sonu is equal to y. Then we have to find 5 years ago what was their age. So age 5 years ago. So the ages of Noori, if x is the present age, so the age 5 years ago will be equal to x minus 5. And if Sonu's age is y, so her age 5 years ago will be equal to y minus 5. Similarly, we will have to find their ages 10 years later. So the age after 10 years, So for Noori, this is equal to x plus 10, and for Sonu equals y plus 10. So these are your variables, the ages. Similarly for Sonu also. So now the first thing that was given, that 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. This means that the value of Noori's age was 3 times the age of Sonu before 5 years. So x minus 5, that is Noori's age, this is equal to thrice Sonu's age at that time. When you open the bracket, you get that x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. You can send this minus 5 also to that side, so that you get that x is equal to 3y minus 10. Minus 5 will become plus 5, and minus 15 plus 5 will give you minus 10. So this is your first equation. Also it was given that after 10 years, that is 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So Noori's age, that is x plus 10, the age after 10 years, as we have written over here, this is equal to twice Noori's age at that time, that is y plus 10. So 2 into y plus 10. Again we will be simplifying it. So what we get is x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. This plus 10 will go to that side, become minus 10, and 20 minus 10 is 10. So we get that x is equal to 2y plus 10. Now as you can see, we can clearly eliminate x from these two equations. So when we subtract the first one from this, we get that x is equal to 3y minus 10. Now as we know, the signs will change. This will become minus, this will become minus, and this will become plus. This eliminates. Here you have 2y minus 3y, that is minus y is equal to 10 plus 10, that is 20. This implies that y is equal to 20. Because we cannot have a negative value over here, that is the reason. So y is equal to 20 years. Now since we have found the age of one of the variable, that is y is equal to 20 years, therefore we can find the value from any of the given equations. So let's take this, that x is equal to 3y minus 10. This implies that x is equal to 3 into y, that is 20 minus 10. 3 into 2 is 6, and 0, 60 minus 10. So x is equal to 50 years. So Noori is 50 years old and Sonu is 20 years old. So let's do the third part also. So in the third part, the question is that the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number. So in this question also, we will assume the 2 digits as the variables. So let one digit equal to x and other equal to y. So if these two are the variables, then what the number would be? So if we take this x as the 10-digit number, so if we write the place value, if the formation of a number is xy, so our number, that is by using these two digits, is xy, so the value will be 10 into x plus y into 1. This is the very basic expanded form that we have studied in the earlier classes. For example, if we have to write 15, so 15 can be written as the digit that is in the tens place multiplied into 10. So 1 into 10, that is 10 plus 5. Similarly, we have written here also, if the number is xy, the digit is x and other is y, so this is equal to 10 into x, the digit as 10th value, and y into 1, so in 1 value. So the number will be 10 into x plus y 1. So this is our number. Also it is given that the sum of the digits is 9. This implies that x plus y is equal to 9. Individual numbers, for example here 1 plus 5 is 6, that is given here, that x plus y is 9. And the next part, it is given that 9 times this number, that is 10 into x plus y into 9. So 9 times this number will be equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. So when you reverse the order of digit in this xy, the number will become yx. Reversing the order, tens will become ones and ones will become tens. So now the value of this yx number will be 10 into y plus x. Easy. Now the data was that twice the reversing number is equal to 9 times the original, that is 10x plus y. So now you have two equations. You will simplify this. Upon opening the brackets, we get that 20y plus 2x is equal to 9 into 10, 90x plus 9y. 90x, this is 90x plus 9y. Now we will transpose the x over one side and y over one side. So what we get is 90 minus 2x is 88x is equal to this 2x over here will become minus 2x, and this 9y over here, 20 minus 9 is 11. So 88x is equal to 11y. This is one of the given information. And similarly x plus y is equal to 9. Here you can divide both the constants by 11, so you get that y is equal to 8x. Y is equal to 8x. Now you can take this y on one side and transpose this x so that you can eliminate them easily. So y is equal to 9 minus x. Now subtract this equation, the first one from the second one. So y is equal to 8x minus y is equal to, here you have minus x plus 9. The sign will change, this will become positive, this will become negative. Minus y is 0, 8x plus x, 9x, and this is minus 9. So 0 equal to 9x minus 9. This implies that 9x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 1. Now since x is equal to 1, you can put the value of x in x plus y is equal to 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. This implies that y is equal to 9 minus x. X is 1, so 9 minus 1. Y is equal to 8. So the number which we had x, y, this is equal to first the value of x, that is 1, and the value of y 18. So number is equal to 18. So this was the solution, and the next two parts I'll be doing in the next video. So till then, bye.